Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to Gordon Guitar and to a very well-known band, Kings of Leon. Perhaps you heard songs like You Somebody, Sex on Fire, and my personal favorite, Closer. What a song. So yeah, this time we have Hesitation Gen. Alright, so this is a cool song, and you can see all the band collaborate there in the music video. It's nice. So yeah, let's take a look at Hesitation Gen by Kings of Leon. And we have a couple of chords here, actually 6 chords. That's what we need to handle this beauty. So let's do that without any capo. Okay, so we're going clean here, and let's go over the chords. Starting here with A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord is E, and that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have G. It goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and we have D as well. And that is open D, second G, third B, second E. The last 2 chords are bar chords, so we're gonna start with F sharp minor. Okay, so there you put the bar on the 2nd fret, so you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord is the C sharp minor. And you have the bar now on the 4th fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below. It's a must. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Okay, so we're gonna start from the beginning with the verse. And the intro is played in the same way. And we have this strumming pattern that goes almost through the entire song, except from the pre-chorus. We'll come to that. But if you grab the A, that's the first chord. So 1 strumming around is about 4 downs. So, okay. So I try to emphasize the 3rd down because there is the rhythm going on. So I try to separate the bass strings from the higher strings down here. Okay, so I play on the 1st and 2nd, I play on the bass, then on the 3rd I go down to the higher strings, and on the 4th I go back to the bass. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 strumming around like this. Alright, so you got that right. Now let's take a look at the verse play. So you're gonna play A2 and E2. Okay, so you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Okay, so again. Then you go to G2 and D2 and play that for 2 rounds. And that is the first round or the first verse. I'm not sure how it's divided here, but I think it's the first round here in the first verse. We can call it like that. Then you go back and play again A2 and E2 for 2 rounds, and then G2 and D2 for 2 rounds. So you just double up what we just learned, and that is the verse. So 1/2 or 1 verse, 1 part of this one out of 2 is A2, E2, A2, E2, G2, D2, G2, and D2. So play 2 of these, and that is the first verse. Okay, then after that comes the pre-chorus, and that's in the lyrics to Think It Over. So we're there now, and now we'll change the string pattern, okay? We will work with two chords, and that is E to F sharp minor. And one string around goes like this. So it's down, 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 down. Down, a longer pause, then comes down, down, and then a short pause, and then one down. You're gonna play one of these per chord, so E1, F sharp minor 1, and you're gonna play it for 2 rounds, like this. Alright, and that's it for pre-chorus 1. Now to the first chorus, and that is where it sings hesitation. I have nothing to say. That's where we're on the lyrics, all right? So we're gonna just continue with the verse play pretty much, but now we'll skip the G and D part. We're gonna play A, 2 string rounds, E, 2 string rounds. You play that for 4 rounds, okay? We don't have to go through that. You understand what we're meaning now? So A2, E2 for 4 rounds. And you're gonna end with A, then after you played 4 rounds, you're gonna play A, 3 rounds plus 1 down and the pause. And this is played after the first chorus. So you play A2, E2, 4 rounds, and then comes A3 plus 1 down. It goes like this. And a down and the pause. And that brings us to the second round of everything. The second round is played in the exact same way when it comes to the verse play. So A2, E2 for 2 rounds, G2, D2 for 2 rounds, and you repeat that again. You double up there. The second pre-chorus, no changes there. 2 rounds of E and F sharp minor. And the second chorus, almost the same as the first one. The only difference here is you're gonna skip the A in the end there, the A for 3 rounds plus 1 down. You just play A2, E2 for 4 rounds, and that is your second chorus. After the second chorus, we have the solo part. We're now about 2 minutes and 22 seconds into the song. I'm gonna take you through the chords that are played there. Of course, not the solo. I'm not a full band here, but I'm gonna give you the backbone, and that is the chords and the strumming. You're gonna use the same strumming pattern as you did for the verse and the chorus play. So it's just down, 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 straightforward like that. So A2, E2, A2, E2, A2, C sharp 2, A2, E2. And that is the solo part. And that's the only time we use a C sharp minor is in this solo part. That is the end of the solo, and after that you go back and play the final chorus number 3. And that means you're gonna go and play A2 and E2 for this standard 4 rounds back and forth. And then you play the final part there, the A, in the same way as you played it in the first chorus. Remember, you had the A there for 3 rounds plus a down. This time you have it for 8 full rounds of A. So you play A for 8 full rounds, and that ends Kings of Leon's Hesitation Gen. So, nice song, fits guitar very, very well. We have almost only strings in the band, perhaps without the drummer there, but anyway, that guitars and basses and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you have a guitar, this is perfect for you guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gorn Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.